Breaking news. President Donald Trump has announced plans to roll back many of President Biden's executive orders, setting off a new wave of political tension and reigniting America's ongoing culture war. The move comes just days after a series of administrative announcements hinted at sweeping reversals, from environmental regulations and immigration policies to healthcare reforms and federal workplace diversity rules. Among the most notable changes, stricter border enforcement measures, rollback of certain climate commitments, and limits on federal funding for diversity training. Critics call it a regression. Supporters say it's a long overdue correction. The announcement sparked a wave of online outrage and celebration. Hashtags like Shy Biden Rollback and On Trump Orders trended overnight, drawing millions of views. Politicians, activists, and even celebrities are weighing in, each framing the move as either a victory for traditional values or a threat to progress. Adding fuel to the debate are claims about the use of an auto pen, an automatic signature device, in the signing of key documents. While fact-checkers confirm its legitimacy, the speculation underscores how even procedural details can spark nationwide debates. As America braces for the 2026 election season, these reversals may reshape political loyalties and voter priorities. One thing is clear: the divide between red and blue America is once again on full display.